Delicious Apple Hacks 5 Fun Ways to Make Your Snacks Awesome. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into the delightful world of apples, where we'll explore inventive and tasty ways to enjoy these crisp and juicy fruits beyond the standard snacking. To kick things off, we're putting a healthy and exciting spin on a classic snack, introducing apple nachos. Forget about the traditional tortilla chips. Instead, grab a bunch of apples and slice them thinly. Arrange these slices like nachos and let your creativity shine with the toppings. Picture this: a luscious spread of peanut butter, a sprinkle of chocolate chips for sweetness, a handful of nuts for crunch, and a drizzle of honey to tie it all together. Moving on to our next culinary adventure, apple sandwiches. Here, we're tossing out the conventional bread and using apple slices as the canvas for a uniquely delicious sandwich. Spread a layer of almond butter on one slice, add a sprinkling of granola for that satisfying crunch, and top it off with raisins for a burst of sweetness. Voila! An easy-to-make yet oh-so-yummy treat that's bound to satisfy your snack cravings. Now, let's spice things up with apple salsa. Dice up some apples and combine them with chopped onions, jalapenos for a kick, fresh cilantro for that burst of green, a squeeze of lime juice for tanginess, and a pinch of salt to bring all the flavors together. This fruity salsa is a versatile delight, whether paired with tortilla chips or used as a zesty topping for grilled meats or fish. Feeling the urge for something crispy? Enter baked apple chips. Take those apple slices, cut them into thin rounds, sprinkle them with a dash of cinnamon for warmth, add a touch of sugar for sweetness, and bake until they achieve that delightful crunch. These baked chips not only offer a satisfying crispiness but also serve as a healthier alternative to their greasy potato counterparts. Last, but certainly not least, let's assemble a refreshing apple salad. Dice up apples, toss in some grapes for natural sweetness, add nuts for a satisfying crunch, mix in some celery for freshness, and crown it all with a creamy dressing. The result? A light and crunchy salad that can either shine as a delightful side dish or take center stage as a light meal. Those are 5 imaginative ways to elevate your apple enjoyment to new heights. Now, it's your turn to embark on these culinary ventures. Let us know your favorite in the comments below. And, of course, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delectable recipes. Happy cooking, and may your exploration of the delicious versatility of apples bring joy to your kitchen.